Welcome to my channel. In this video, we explore the amazing aspects of the logging industry, from powerful machines to cutting-edge technology. It's a comprehensive journey that you can't miss. Subscribe to our channel to enter the magical world of logging with us now. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. In the heart of a snow-covered forest, the powerful Komatsu 911.4 with Aspen's large tooth blades is at work. Watch as it slices through massive trees with precision, turning them into evenly cut logs. The perfect harmony of power and precision in action. Amidst the falling snow, the Komatsu 845 demonstrates its strength and reliability. With its robust grapple arm, it efficiently lifts and transports massive logs across challenging terrain, a true workhorse of the forest. A skilled worker employs the traditional humble undercut technique with the chainsaw. Precision and expertise are crucial as the giant tree crashes to the ground, marking another successful operation in the snowy forest. High above the ground, a lumberjack saws through a towering tree. Suddenly, the trunk falls, and with it, the worker tumbles down. A dramatic reminder of the dangers faced in this industry.
That's it, Dad. I think that's it. It is.
The Tiger Cat 635D skids enormous logs across the snowy landscape with unmatched power. Snow clings to its frame as it forges ahead, showcasing its resilience in the harshest conditions. The Komatsu 911CX C93 Clearfell navigates the snowy forest with ease, cutting down trees and processing them into uniform logs. A seamless blend of mobility and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a powerful robotic arm, the Komatsu 845 carefully grips and moves logs in the snowy forest. Precision meets power in this extraordinary display of engineering. The 415 HP cat-powered Moorbark 2230 devours a massive pine tree, transforming it into sawdust within moments. A breathtaking demonstration of sheer power and efficiency. Cedar logs meet the precision of the Foley Bellsaw A14 circular saw, producing smooth, even planks ready for the next stage of processing. The Split X450 with its robust Yanmar engine splits large logs into smaller pieces with ease, an essential step in preparing wood for further use. Using a specialized lift, a worker carefully trims branches near a home. Precision and caution are paramount to ensure safety in these tight spaces. The PrimeTech PT 600 grinds stumps and tree trunks into fine sawdust, leaving behind a rich, aerated soil. A transformative process for the forest floor. Fully loaded log trucks navigate winding mountain roads with care and determination, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the timber industry. Thanks for watching today's video about the journey of exploring the synthetic logging industry. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.